This is the Chairman Plus electric face shaver from Manscaped. When all you want is smooth, grab the Chairman Plus. 2 interchangeable blade heads give you a gentle shave, whether you're going skin close with the SkinSafe 3-blade foil or just cleaning up the edges with the precision trimmer head. To switch blade heads, turn the Chairman Plus off and pull the magnetic attached blade head up and away from the shaver. Then install your selected blade head by popping it back on the head of the Chairman Plus. The magnets will grab it and hold it in place. The Chairman Plus was made to work wet or dry, but for a more comfortable shave, we recommend spreading a light coat of Manscaped Power Shave Gel. You can apply Power Shave Gel to your face, or pro tip, apply it directly to the blade for some self-lathering action. Now that you've prepped your skin, press the power button to turn on the Chairman Plus. Grip the ergonomic handle in whichever way feels most comfortable. You can grip it like a dumbbell or hold it like a paintbrush for more precision. When you've found the sweet spot, hold the foil blade flat against your skin and gently glide up and down. Let the blade head pivot and seamlessly navigate the contours of your face while maintaining even pressure. If you're just doing a little cleanup, the precision trimmer attachment helps create crisp, clean lines along the neckline, jawline, and sideburns. Tilt the blade head at a 90-degree angle to take advantage of the precision trimming edge, pressing gently against your skin. Move down and away from your hair as you would with clippers. After all that shaving, you're going to need a cool down. Grab some Manscaped Face Shave Soother and give yourself that post-shave reward. When you're satisfied with your look and feel, power your device down to clean it. Pull the magnetic attached blade head up and away from the shaver, and gently shake out the hair from inside the blade head. Rinse away the remaining hair under running water. You can even power the device on for this step to really clear out the blades. Then just let it air dry, reassemble, and plug it into charge for your next shave. When charging, the LED indicator will blink. You'll be back to full power in about 60 minutes. If you're ever in a pinch, plug in for 5 minutes to take advantage of the quick shave option. The Chairman Plus from Manscaped.